Cosmo Brown. But the creative team requested a dancer for the part. And when they mentioned Hoofer Donald O'Connor, Freed was won over.
It's really, really wonderful how it came about, though. They asked me to do it, and I said, yeah. We were on that big rehearsal stage. I picked up the dummy, and I started fooling around with it. And what I did the first time is what you see on the screen. This number was building to such a crescendo. At the end, I thought I'd actually have to commit suicide on screen. My brother Jack taught me running up the wall. And that was just right for it. It was simple to do and rather spectacular.